November 60 Tango Papa, report your cleared level to Scottish on 127.275. Bye bye.
127.275 is the level, Tango Papa, thank you. Scottish, very good day, November 60 Tango Papa, non-standard level 280, ready for descent.
November 60 Tango Papa, Scottish, when ready, descend to level 100, direct Bells.
When ready, descending level 100, direct position, Bells, November Tango Papa. 100 is set. November Tango Papa is now leaving flight level 280 for flight level 100.
Roger.
Low visibility procedures in force. Automatic. Surface wind 210 degrees 04 knots. Visibility 550 meters. Runway 25 visual range 650 meters. Weather unidentified precipitation. Sky obscured. Temperature +05. Dew point +05. QNH 1038. Acknowledge receipt of information Kilo and advise aircraft type on first contact.
November 60 Tango Papa, you're just leaving control here. Now, if you're quite happy, it's a deconfliction service.
Deconfliction service is okay with me. Continue descent level 100 now. November Tango Papa.
November 60 Tango Papa, my service terminates now. Contact Old Grove 133.125.
133.125, thank you sir. November Tango Papa. Hello, approach November 60 Tango Papa, King Air information, Kilo descending level 100.
November 60 Tango Papa, Aldergrove radar. Turn left heading 145, vectors ILS approach runway 25 with ATC low visibility procedures in force.
So cockpit left heading 145 and confirm QNH is 1038.
November 60 Tango Papa airframe, deconfliction service, descend to altitude 4,000 feet, QNH 1038.
4,000 feet now on QNH 1038 and the heading is 145, November Tango Papa.
November 60 Tango Papa, number 1 inbound with no delay, approximately 40 miles from touchdown, information Lima current.
Checking Lima now, November Tango Papa.
November 60 Tango Papa, don't believe there has been any change, I think it was just fog, and vertical visibility is obscured. The runway 25 AVR is 600 meters.
Okay, that's above me, thank you, I'll continue. The descent to 4,000 feet now, November Tango Papa.
November 0 Tango Papa, United control airspace radar control. Turn left heading 140 degrees, descend to altitude 3,000 feet.
Radar control now, left 140, descending 3,000, November Tango Papa. 3,000 set in the ILS. 1,000 feet.
November 0 Tango Papa, descend to altitude 2,500 feet.
Continue 2,500 feet on the heading of 140, November Tango Papa. 2,500 set.
November 0 Tango Papa, turn right heading 215, cleared ILS approach runway 25, QNH 1038.
On the QNH 1038, heading 215, cleared for the ILS runway 25, November Tango Papa. Auto switch. Guido on 3 greens.
November 0 Tango Papa, runway 25, VR 700 metres, stop bend 600 metres, surface wind at 230 degrees, 2 knots, clear to land.
Clear to land, thank you for the RVR update, November Tango Papa. Landing checklist is completed. 1000 above. Approach is stable. .500 minutes. Check, 3 degrees. Approaching minimums. Approach lights.
Minimums. 200.
November Tango Papa pilot report Bogart, maybe 50 feet above minimums.
Okay, on what minimum?
On the Cat 1 minimums, 200 above.
Okay, no problem, thanks for that. Roll to the end, vacate right Delta, and taxi Delta apron.
Delta apron to global, thank you.